So welcome into a 3D printing lab. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of 3D printers. What's really cool about them is we can print pretty much any shape or form and transform it into an object pretty fast. Here we have, all the printers have in common that they print plastic. You can print different kinds, some is flexible, some is not, but basically the idea is simply that we can create very complex items in no time. So if you can see this object, for example, everything was printed at once, so this cannot open, and it's pretty impressive. We call this impossible projects because, for example, you couldn't build this any other way besides using 3D printing. So how? Well, it's quite simple. 3D printers actually, it's kind of a lie, they're not building in 3D at all. What they do is they take a slice out of your object, build that slice first, and then on top of it builds a second slice and a third and a fourth and so on and so forth. The idea is you build by piling up. That's what's 3D printing. You actually have different technologies. This is called FDM, Fusion Deposit Material, but you also have SLA, such as in the wet lab, or other technologies that are completely different, but they all have in common that layer system. That's what 3D printing is all about. If you take a look around, you'll see that we have very large machines, such as those Stratasys, that are industry standards that allow us to make very fine prints. We also have a giant printer called a Gigabot, and we also have a lot of smaller printers that allow you to create those objects pretty easily. And more importantly, a lot of those printers have in common that they were created within a makerspace themselves. So that's kind of cool.